Yo guys, it's SmallmouthCrush. Guess where I'm at? I have no idea. Where am I? I am up on the St. Lawrence River below the dam. It's August and the bite is on, and this is just a crazy morning. Anyway, so my buddy Matt from Bass Talk Live, you guys know of him, you watch his stuff. He's fishing with me today. He's got to head over to and do the Elite Series coverage. So we're at the ramp, and guess who shows up out of nowhere?
All right, look, check this out. Yo.
What's up, Adrian? How you been, man?
I've been good, man.
Good,
I just got a lot of money taken from me because I didn't catch a 4-pounder on the St. Lawrence. But dude, hey, I got $100.
Right.
And we're gonna do a little derby, 2.5 hours. What do you think?
You got 3 dudes. I got.
Okay. We don't even count because we drank way too much Jameson last night. Way too much. Apparently you didn't sleep. But dude, this is gonna be.
You in, Matt? Let's do it.
All right,
we're in.
Hey,
$100? $100.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours.
Hey, I've never been here before. Never.
5 fish, right?
We can't lose because I only have $20. It's easy. It's fine if we
money?
win. It's
good. I'll get it.
If we win, we're good.
All right,
right here.
we're
I'll
good.
do 20.
We're
on
on.
This guy's bet.
Okay. All right, guys, we got to get set up. We got a derby. Let's roll. All right, we're going. You ready? Do I got everything?
I don't know. Do you have everything?
Wallet, phone. Yeah.
You have your Gajo bait
Spirit Shads. We got the Spirit Shads.
Hell yeah.
Man, so I haven't been here in a while. Apparently Adrian's never been here, but you know, he's sneaky like that. He's probably put some time in here. Oh, Matt, take it easy, Matt. Take it easy. You're scaring me, buddy. You're scaring me.
How did you even get that snack?
Man, there's trash talking already at the ramp. My boy Matt gonna whoop up today, I think.
Hey, so wait, hold on a second.
All right, here's a little tip. Look for the current breaks.
You're a wise guy. See what I gotta deal with? No, seriously, I want to know how do you get the status of a #2 ranked amateur in the world?
Well,
like who makes that stat?
Bass rankings.
Bass rankings, man.
You don't ever get on Bass rankings?
I do. I never look up amateurs.
Do you believe this?
That's cold-hearted.
It is. All right, so we gotta find the official time is, what time is check-in?
6:52
we need to be at this dock at 9:30.
9:30, because I want to do a little video on the weigh-in, so is 9:30 okay?
9:30 is fine.
All right.
But
6:53
we need to
right now.
hurry up.
It's 7, 8, 9, so we got a 2.5 hour tournament. Are you efficient with a spinning rod?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you efficient with a spinning rod?
Hold on. I got him a little part. I got you a little pardon gift too.
It is 3 against 2.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Wow, who's that handsome guy?
Oh, look at him all there.
What's on his chin?
Intimidation right there, man.
What's on his chin?
What happened?
Let's do it.
Do you want to put that? You want to tape that to your? Here, we'll put that right here. Put it in the windshield.
You have, yeah. So I said for motivation.
All right.
Hey, tape that to your graph and stare at it all day.
But seriously, what's on his chin?
Oh man, they were messing with him. All right, I guess we're going.
We're out.
All right, cool.
Party starts now, Bubba.
All right. What a beautiful morning. He is. He's going left. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. He's going left, bro. He's going left. I knew he was going to go left. Guess what? We're going right. Right to the promised land. Yeah. Oh, he's going right up to the dam, dude. All right, guys, we're set up on the spot. Matt's ready to go. You're gonna drop shot.
That doesn't look like a spirit shed.
No, but we're gonna try it. Try a little robo worm. We got the spirit shads right there. You have to use the spirit shads when you're on the sacred Indian waters.
I gotta be the first guy in history to call up someone and go, hey, let's go fishing. Come pick me up. Oh, I don't have any tackle or gear.
No. That's all right. First fish hooked up, but he's fighting like they always do here on the St. Lawrence River. Thinking they're 6 pounders when they're 3.5. It's a start. It's only 3 pounds. He's hooked good. That Owner Mosquito drop shot hook size 1. You can find that at tackledirect.com, courtesy of Adrian Avina.
That's a smooth trick. Yeah, you had it smooth and then you stepped on your rock.
Snag 2 or fish? We don't need him. Fish number 2. You'll keep. Take your time.
Are you inferring that I'm taking too much time?
Yeah. Give him the boat, get your bait in the water, son. That's only a 2.5. But I would not boat flip them. All right, we got 3 fish. We're struggling. Seems like I've been struggling this whole year, brother. At this point, we're going to the promise point.
Keeper.
Is in the box. That's a baby.
You dump him?
Nope, put him in.
Bump him? Bump him. Really? We got 5.
Yes! Look at this. Number 5.
Give me 5 on that.
Yes. Hey, wait to step up your game.
Oh, I knew it. I had a feeling on that drift.
Right.
Good.
What do you want me to do? Go at him? So this little guy fought like he was 6 pounds. We thought it was the one. We got like 10 minutes. We gotta head back and weigh our little bag of fish. Hopefully Adrian didn't get on them.
Yeah, because we got like 10 of them in here.
10.
All that size?
Okay, so they got 10 fish and they were 3 minutes late.
We're screwed.
3 minutes late? You were 2 minutes late.
Okay, well then we're all DQ and we'll call it a day.
No, screw that.
We're really screwed, Travis.
Are we?
Yeah, like big time.
Well, I told you they got 3 people in the boat.
Solid one?
Yeah, we're really screwed.
Okay.
Yeah, you say it till you start pulling them out.
No, we honestly don't have anything, dude.
You guys caught them.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we're screwed.
He threw the wrong one back, at least. Maybe we got a shot at this thing. We got a little guy, too. What do you consider little?
111.
Oh. I think we got a pounder in there.
You ready?
What's that?
That's our.
Oh, yeah. Hey, hold on. Get a little closer, man. You make it look big.
That's 12 1/4.
I got to film.
All right, you film this. All right, guys. So check this out, right? This is the weighing bag we got. Look, we're going to wet it.
Yes?
We got some holes in there. Oh, shoot. That one there might fall through that hole.
It's 12 1/2.
We measured.
It's a solid one. Dude, I think he got us. It's gonna be close. Oh shoot!
Oh man!
All right, that's a fail.
This ain't working.
That's a
All right,
fail.
guys, we're gonna figure this out.
One by one.
It's for fish safety.
Fish safety. Hold on. Look at this.
Fish safety. You
Hey,
can't
all
weigh
right.
him
How
in a
about
dry
let me
bag.
pour it on your head.
You can't weigh him in a dry
Oh wow!
Look at that.
Okay, there was some water in
Yeah,
there.
that was like 3 pounds.
Sorry, I just.
Hey, if this was Trip Weldon, man, he'd dry it out with a paper towel.
That's all good. There's number 1.
That was their biggin.
Oh,
Solid.
solid.
All right.
All right. Here
What do
we
you guys
go.
think? What do you think?
I'll go with 11.5. You probably got us by
I'll
a
go
pound.
10 15.
No, I'm gonna be optimistic for you guys. I'm gonna go 12.2.
Okay.
I'm factoring the bag weight. Oh shoot!
What?
11, 12.
11 12.
11, 12. All right, we'll take that.
You want to zoom in on this? little 11 pounds, 12 ounces.
Legit.
They got
okay.
that in 3 fish.
All right.
I am. Are you depressed though?
Am I
Yeah.
depressed? Absolutely. We did terrible.
You took it like pretty seriously. Like you were shaking.
I know. I did get pretty
I don't know if that was because of the fishing or.
Well, there could have been some of the festivities from last night.
Are we allowed to weigh a walleye?
Well, you're allowed to weigh a walleye if you substitute 2 smallies.
Are we counting the 2-minute late penalty?
Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah?
What do we do about no? What do we do about the penalties?
What?
We were 1 minute, you were 2.
So we'll just dock it. So we're just a minute late.
Yep.
You're nothing. So just take 1 pound off ours. Well, there's no difference whether you dock you 2 pounds and me 3 pounds. There's only gonna be a pound difference. Hey, we'll take a pound. I mean, it'll be close. Yeah, take the clip
Okay.
off.
That's a good one.
Those are our 3 big ones.
Okay.
They were all on the spy bait.
No, I caught that one on drop shot.
Oh, yeah, you did that. Now that one right there, I think you caught.
Oh, you gotta
They
give me
caught
this.
so
you gotta
many,
give me
they
the
don't
small
even know
one.
what they caught them on, Travis.
Right.
Berkeley.
No, I think
flatworm.
that's yeah. The flatworm was drop shot bait.
The only thing we're allowed to.
Oh, wow.
15.6. Solid. Hey, that was a beat down.
Beat down. I won't go that far.
Beat
I
down.
won't go that far.
Not on the best smallmouth fishery in the country.
15 pounds. If you would have caught 15 pounds in a lead event, you would have finished it.
Pull that walleye out. Oh, see the back on that thing?
Solid one. There. We're gonna fry that sucker up later.
Oh.
Oh, that'll work.
There we go.
Yep. Sign from the one and only Travis Manson.
He ain't even gonna spend.
Hey.
He's just gonna put this on his wall. He don't need the $100.
I don't need no $100. Hey,
It was fun.
Hey.
It was fun, right?
Look at these suckers. This right here opened up a can of whoop ass from Travis Manson. Little 2.5 hour pot derby.
It was fun.
Hey, at least I got a little bit of my milk money back from the Elite Series event.
Right,
That
right.
was there.
Yeah. Oh, hey guys, listen, it was awesome. It was a fun couple of hours, a little derby. I appreciate you checking out the video. Don't forget to leave any likes and comments below. And as always, until next time, we'll see you guys on the water.